guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun fall mushroom arrangement tutorial. This was such fun to make, and it's really super easy and pretty inexpensive to make too. For this fall floral arrangement, you're going to need some mushrooms, and the mushrooms come in, I believe, 3 colors at Hobby Lobby. You're also going to need a tall candlestick holder or candle holder, and I picked that one up at Ross. You're going to need some round foam, and it comes in a 2-pack at Dollar Tree. And you're going to need some fall flowers, and I picked up those leaves at Dollar Tree. The silver dollar bush is from Dollar Tree also. You're going to need something that drapes down, like hangs down from your candlestick. So most all of my flowers that I ended up using came from Dollar Tree. Try to pick out a variety of textures, shapes, and colors that work nice together when you're choosing your flowers. I'm using Gorilla Glue, hot glue sticks, and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun. So I'm just adding the hot glue around the edge of the top of the candle holder, then going to place my foam on it and let it sit for a while and dry. While that is drying, I'm going to take my flowers and cut them into shorter pieces. Now these came from Dollar Tree, so I used 3 or 4 of them. If you watch, I usually show in the video how many I use, but I like lots of pieces to drape down and hang down below the candlestick holder. And so I am just cutting them into shorter pieces, pushing them into the foam on the sides of the foam. And now you could use a little hot glue on the end before you push it into the foam if you would like. Also, if you do not want to use the mushrooms, a pumpkin would look adorable in the center of this arrangement too. Usually with floral arrangements and centerpieces, I do a pattern. What I do on the left, I do on the right. What I put on the front, I try to put on the back as close as possible. But with this right now, I am just filling out the outer edge of the circle foam. I love the way this greenery bush cascades down the candlesticks. Just kind of gives a whimsical look and movement to the arrangement. Next, I'm going in with the silver dollars from Dollar Tree, and I did one on the left, one on the right, and then I added another bush that I cut into 2 pieces to the front. I didn't add any to the back because this arrangement's only going to be facing one direction, but you can make it beautiful from all directions if you would like. Next, I'm adding in some berry picks from Dollar Tree. Now remember, you want to choose different textures, so I think the berries are a nice touch. This arrangement is very easy to make because notice I am just working on that outer edge of foam. If you go very high on the foam, then you're going to have trouble getting your mushrooms to sit evenly, so just remember that. I got a little bit high up on mine, so my mushrooms didn't want to sit as flat as I would have liked for them to. I did make this arrangement pretty from all angles, but I just added more things to the front so it would be beautiful sitting on a fireplace mantle, coffee table, entrance table, wherever you need a fall arrangement. I hope you're enjoying this fall arrangement tutorial. If you are, please leave me a comment, like this video, share this video with a friend, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. I share lots of budget-friendly DIYs, shop with me videos, shopping hauls, and decorating videos. So I hope you will hit that subscribe button. I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video, but you could cover the foam with some moss before you get started adding your floral picks. You could also glue your mushrooms on top, then place your flowers around it. It's just whichever way you feel most comfortable. I like to do my base first, then add the pumpkin or mushrooms or whatever I'm using. Either way works, just whatever is best for you. Now I'm using Gorilla Glue hot glue, and notice I had some berries up a little bit high, so mine didn't want to sit perfectly flat, so I went in and added some hot glue to fill in underneath and held it for a little while to let it have time to dry. Now I'm adding some of the fall foliage from Dollar Tree, just cutting them into shorter, smaller pieces and just placing them all around the edge of the foam. I had a few pumpkins picked out and some sunflowers and some bigger things, but when I backed up and I looked at it, I decided that after I added the fall leaves that I would just go with some tiny mums, and I would call that good. So sometimes, you just have to step back and look and see what's going to work and what's not going to work. And if you don't glue it in, then you can change it really easy. So what do you think of this arrangement so far? Do you think you might make one for your home? Is this something that you would like to see more tutorials of? So let me know in the comments. I had thought about making two of these, one to put on the left and one to put on the right on my mantle for this fall. So you'll have to let me know your thoughts. Where would you place it? I did add quite a few of the Dollar Tree fall leaves because it filled in nicely around the mushrooms. And here's the second pick of the silver dollars that I added to hang down or drape down the front of the arrangement, and I didn't add any to the back. And then last, I'm going to add some of the small mums from Dollar Tree, and they come in a variety of different shades. There's gold, burgundy, a deeper orange, and maybe a red, I think. I'm not real sure. I just bought, I think, 2 colors of these, but I think they look really pretty and they're dainty and something different in the arrangement. After I added the mums, then I just kind of made sure that my flowers and leaves and everything were going in the direction that I wanted. And that's it, guys. I hope this tutorial was something fun and new and different for you, and then you really enjoyed it and learned something. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to leave me a comment if you enjoyed this video.